Ever been frustrated when you attempt to scale a small account and show any real progress? You have tested various methods and seriously in your growth you hoped for. This video is exactly what you needed. To show you the strategy that finally changed the game for me and could shift your path as well. Today we're gonna use $21 when we're gonna start with 15. Wait until the surprise I've prepared for you. Stay with me through the whole video, it's worth it, right? Guys, today we're gonna use classic candles and 15 seconds on time frame, right? And we're gonna use 3 indicators: Alligator, Momentum, and DeMarker. For the Alligator, we're gonna use 16, 7, 9, 6, 5, and 4. And the color is up to you. I'm gonna use this one. DeMarker 11, that's the same color. Momentum 11 as well. Okay, click on save. And we just have all set up, guys, for that. $21, as I said, 1 minute to increase on time. And we're gonna start with $15 in the first entry. Okay, offers quick opportunities, and let's see how it works, guys, with that. Guys, I want to remind you that for all those who are interested for that, the platform is using link in the description of the video. Okay, so let me share with one of the good points of this trading strategy. Okay, why we just use buy button for that, with powerful opportunity to the enter bullish position. This happens when the lines of the Alligator indicator, namely white, pink, and yellow lines, cross each other and start to move an upward together. Right, that's just normal. And this cross is significant that potential change in the market direction, indicated that upward trend is intensifying. And they try to spread it all the indicators for the next one, the DeMarker that it crossing that, the red to the green line, the momentum we got the green cards on that, and that's good. That's all the things that show for me that's a good position. All right, and then wait the first trade right here. Look at that, $28.35 in the total on my account. And just to know, guys, this is one of the strategies that can completely change your path in this market. To become a pro mastering the most profitable strategies is a must, but don't worry. I've got 2 exclusive content pieces that will be the key to your growth. Stick with me to that. Alright, at the same time right here, guys, I was keeping an eye on the moment indicator. Look, that's red cards on that. When the majority of its candles are red and moving in a down direction.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
This partner confirms the market's bearish moment. Okay, so the presence of the red candles in the downward direction of the momentum, the DeMarker indicator increasing selling pressure make an ideal moment to consider as a short position. And this is additional, we pay attention to the market, as I said, right? When the middle blue line of the marker cross the green line to the red one, indicate a downward moment. When just get to the red to the green, we have an upward, right? And this is the case, that's the downward trends like to continue, right? The platform, you see here, the trend is going to perfect. And look at that, guys, great win for that. Second one, $47 of profits and $56 in my account in the total. So let's do the next one. Look at that, guys. When the 3 technicals signals coincide, Alligator line crossing with each other as a downward or an upward, pay attention. Momentum indicator that shows red candles and the marked line that's moving below the red line. It crossed the close of that one. Green to the red line, as you can see that. And we got a huge red candle. This gives a strong indicator that market is red to move lower and lower and lower. These clear signals give me the confirmation to open in position on the downward direction. All right.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
And the probability of success increases significantly, but carefully, guys. Analyzing the specific conditions of these three signals, that's very important. Okay, and I think I'm going to win the third one as, oh my god, that's almost going up again. Let's see that, how that's going on. Oh my gosh, that's the last second. We just got this $97 in my account. It's a great win, guys. And it's important to know that a successful trade is about waiting for the right moments. By taking the time to that analyze the markets, anticipation, the key signals for the indicator, you really improve your chance of success, guys. Okay, but improve the quality of your trades. Patience combined with careful market assessments creates the foundation of consistent profitability. All right. So I had to take into account of these tips, and I think we'll have great trade session of that. All right. So right now, I wish you good profits, good operations. I want to see you in the next live session, guys, and see you in the Telegram group. All right. Have a good one, guys. Bye bye.